Hey y'all, and thank you for dropping by. I really appreciate your time. My name is Martina Britt Yelverton, and I am your brand master, cash flow queen, educator, teaching you how to brand you, how to always be marketing, yes, but more important, how to always be marketing you, not a business. Catch this: people do business with other people. So, as a person who may be struggling with virtual solutions, you may be asking, why should you subscribe and push the bell? I'm so glad you asked. I'm well known as your go to girl for simplified blueprints, and I'm great at breaking down these blueprints into steps you can manage yourself. So, yes, help is on the way. My daily goal is to help you see that the professionals you currently follow are indeed branded. Therefore, we must brand you, educate you, and help you. Ultimately, help you leave a legacy and put your name on it. This way, you create that legacy money or long money, right? On my platform, we focus on 7 core areas. One being how to navigate your instant pay raise business or referral business. 2, how to access the number 1 legal tax hack blueprint to hire your kids in your home based business. Number 3, how to get your assets in order and operate a legal, ethical, moral, and profitable virtual business. Number 4, we learn how to create consistency with my 30 days and 30 ways to self-improvement journal. Next, how to get into an REI SLO system with little to no money or using OPM. Some of you struggle with how to guarantee your goals and not fall off, and I have a step-by-step system specifically for that. Finally, in number 7, I've found that many people are interested in getting published on Amazon, becoming a bestseller, or utilizing Amazon to release their ebooks, checklist, or tripwires to build authority, and I've got the help that you need. I can help you regardless of your product, niche, service, or company, or if you're struggling to get organized, get found, and get paid. The best way for you to get that help is to text BrandMaster to 474747. Yes, that's correct. Text BrandMaster to 474747 to get the text notifications. So plug in right now. Subscribe, friend, or follow, and select the bell to get additional notifications when new content is loaded. This way, you will not be left out. To your success, let's get you organized, get you found online, and get paid.